Alright guys, this is cabin 2214 on the Carnival Breeze. This is an interior room in the front of the ship on deck 2.
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm breeze blow. No worries on my mind, just leave stress behind.
So this room is set up for 3 people. So it comes with, you can either have a king or 2 separate twins and a pull down. So this is an interior room, so you're not going to see no windows. You do have your TV. Of course, you have your safe, so you got a nice little stand with your safe. And your fridge, which I must say keeps things pretty cool. So that is a plus. You have all your space with all of our stuff on it, guys. I apologize, this is toward the end of the cruise. So you do have lots of space to store stuff. You do have your drawers, which are going to include a hairdryer. Now the one thing that is nice on here, so plug wise guys, if you look over on the edge of the bed, you are going to find a USB, a USB-C, and an outlet on the back side of each lamp, and there's one on each side of the bed. So that is a plus, and your normal outlet over there. So closet wise, you're going to have your cabinet with all the storage, drawer or shelving. You have a hanging and another hanging that's going to have your life jackets in it as well. So here's your emergency information with all your muster stations, and if you don't know how to put a life jacket on, here's how you put on a life jacket. Here is your thermostat, of course your snoozing sign. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So in the bathroom, this is your traditional Carnival bathroom, which comes with shower gel and shampoo. You do have a line to hang your swimsuits, and it has a handle in it for you just in case. Your toilet and plenty of space to store all of your restroom material. So guys, again, this is cabin 2214 aboard the Carnival Breeze. AC works amazing in this cabin. It has been cold every single night. Thanks for watching.